My name is Baczynski. I'm the Managing Director of CanCam CNC Machines, located in Newcastle, Ontario, Canada. We use MASSO products on about 90% of our equipment, most specifically our CNC routers and our CNC plasmas. The main reason why we chose MASSO was the eagerness from the team to work with us in the implementation phase. Aside from that, the beautiful appearance of the product and the rugged design. MASSO has solved multiple problems for us. Some of the main issues we were having was not being able to connect our controllers via Wi-Fi. We used to have to use Ethernet and USB. So that was one major problem. The other was a customization of layout, so where we can put our tool fork locations and such. MASSO's technical support is one of the best that we have seen to date, and they respond to us almost always immediately or within a 24-hour time limit. Here at CanCam that we like as a team with the MASSO controller is the logic and the flow. So it's really easy for us to be able to teach our customers how to use it, and the windows are very clear. So everything that you need to access is always literally at your fingertip. There's nothing that's really lacking, and functionality is incredible. Working with MASSO has been a great experience for us. We would recommend MASSO to others based on the ability to implement this controller to almost any machine flawlessly, and the fact that the learning curve is so much shorter and documentation is easy to read. There's a lot of videos that walk you through both the usability and the functionality of the controller. I would compare MASSO to driving a high-end luxury vehicle at a fractional cost of that experience, which is very difficult to find these days. You know, you got this beautiful commercial rugged design, and it's very functional. It's not this fragile piece of equipment. It belongs in an industrial environment. This is one of the best commercial controllers that's out there on the market.